In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can play music while scrolling through your Facebook. You can simply enable in-app sound on Facebook in just few simple steps. In-app sound on Facebook can enhance user experience by providing audio cues for notifications, messages, and video content, increasing engagement and accessibility for users who prefer audio feedback. It also enables features like voice messaging and live audio broadcasts, fostering real-time communication and interaction within the platform. To do this, simply head into your Facebook. On your Settings page, select Settings and Privacy. Then tap right here on Settings. On this page, you will have to select on the first option of sound. Make sure to enable this option. When turned on, you can simply play music or listen to audio messages while scrolling through your Facebook. That's how easy it is to turn on external sound while on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.